The future of food isn't just in the soil, it's in the silicon. Witness the dawn of a global agricultural revolution. Across the globe, farmers are witnessing a transformation. Robots are no longer science fiction, they are the new workforce of the fields. But why this sudden shift? Global agriculture is facing a crisis. Severe labor shortages and skyrocketing operational costs are threatening our food security. In regions like Ethiopia, traditional farming methods struggle to keep pace with growing demand, leaving many to seek innovative technological solutions. The secret lies in the hardware. These machines are equipped with advanced LiDAR sensors and high-definition cameras to navigate complex terrains. Integrated AI systems process data instantly. Using machine learning, they can identify the difference between a healthy crop and a parasitic weed. It's a continuous cycle: field scanning, recognition, decision-making, and action. Every move is calculated to maximize yield and minimize waste. Precision is key. Instead of blanket spraying, robots apply treatments only where needed, significantly reducing the use of chemicals. The comparison is striking. Traditional farming is bound by human fatigue, while AI systems offer 24/7's consistency and high-speed precision. This technology brings 5 core benefits: labor reduction, faster harvesting, extreme precision, cost efficiency, and a massive boost in productivity. In modern Ethiopia, a single farmer can now manage an entire fleet of robots from a tablet, merging ancestral land with modern tech. The farm of the future never sleeps. Under the moonlight, autonomous systems continue their work, ensuring the global food supply remains stable. As we embrace this revolution, we build a world where technology and nature thrive together. This is the new era of agriculture. Stay tuned to AI Media for more insights into the technology shaping our future. Don't forget to subscribe.